Students, already we have completed the 2 units of our subject manufacturing technology. Today we are going to discuss the third unit, machining. Actually, machining is nothing but removal of the excessive material from the raw material to obtain a particular shape or particular design of a product. Normally, machining can be done by various methods or various equipment using lathe, shaper, planer, turner, grinding machine. Such a way, a lot of equipment are available in the machining process. Each and every machine is utilized for manufacturing any product. So metal removing operation from the workpiece with the help of the machine tool, cutting tool, etc. Now commonly used machines are lathe machine, drilling machine, grinding machine, shaping machine, planing machine, etc. So lathe is the father of, or we can say father of all the machines. It is the schematic diagram shows about the important components of lathe machine. Basic principle of lathe machine is attach headstock, dial stock, and then specification of normally lathe machine is prepared by the height, swing over dia, etc. Height, length between the two stocks, length of the bed. So these are all the specification. Classification of lathe: engine lathe, turret lathe, special purpose machine lathe such as caption lathe. Basic performance operation on the lathe is turning, plain turning, tip turning. So turning is the operation reducing the length. Plain turning on lathe machine. So the diagram indicate the step turning. Each diameter is for in a simple machining operation. There are so many dias. Phasing is the operation to reduce the dia of the job. So taper turning by compound thrust method. Taper turning is in the front piece. We can make use of the some angle to give the taper. So taper turning may be done by several method: swinging method, compound thrust method, form tool method. Eccentric turning only. The eccentric turning also is the from the center of the job. So next operation with the help of the lathe machine is knurling. So knurling is used to give gripness of the hand holding the job. So normally knurling is done with the help of the knurling tool. So as per our requirement of the shape of the knurling, we can use different rollers. So next operation is drilling and boring. Actually, boring is nothing but enlarging the drilled hole. Drilling on lathe machine. So we are utilizing the drill bit for that. Boring on lathe machine is also the same thing. Enlarging the already drilled hole. For drilling the operation, it is job is first fixed in the headstock, and then boring is done with the boring tool. Reaming is nothing but changing the smoothness of the drilled hole. So it is very fine, smooth finish of this thing. A reamer or actually drill bit, the reamer also is named as a different dia. So grooving and parting. So grooving is the step in between the two dies. Parting on the lathing machine. Partition. So for that we can make use of the parting tool. Grooving also we can make use of a single tool or grooved tools. Forming operation. So as per our requirement of the shape of the grooving, we can make use of the tool. Champering on lathe machine. So champering tool also used to produce the job. Threading. Threading also can be done in the lathe with the help of the threading tool. Threading on lathe machines. So threading is first done with the help of the threading tool by fixing the this thing pitch and dia. Next one is the shaping machine. Shaper is used to produce relatively long jobs. The diagram, that is a slide, shows about the shape of the shaper machine. So actually shaper machine job is in a particular position, tool is moving from to and fro motion, horizontal cutting, vertical cutting, incline cutting on shaper. These are all done. Normally the shaping tool is used to produce the keyways in the this thing. Next machine is planning machine or planner. Planner machines are used for generating large flat. So two columns in between this cross rail, we can fix the tool. So in shaper machine, tool is getting moved, but in the planner machine, job is getting moved. So machining bed on the planner. Difference between shaper and machine is heavy planning machine and the shaping machine. Milling machine. Milling machine is using the uh, gear milling machine, up milling and down milling. So if it is in the clockwise direction, it is used by the up milling, and if it is in the anti-clockwise, then it is called as the this thing vertical milling machine. So in the vertical milling machine, the horizontal milling machine. Vertical milling machine. So the diagram, so milling operation, with the help of the milling machine we can do plain or slab milling, phase milling, angular milling, form milling, straddle milling. So next one is the drilling machine. Drilling is the operation through which a drilled hole is produced in a job. So the tool used for make the tool drill is known as drill bit. So the drill bit is so many diameters as per our requirement. So hand drill bit is the what the electrician and other carpenters are using to make use of the hand drill machine. Bench drilling machine is used for the small job operations. Radial drilling machine. So it is used to make the drill in the rotating the job. We can make drill. So we can make use of the tool from to and fro motions or rotating some angle as we required. Radial drilling machine. So in with the help of the drilling machine, we can use drilling, boring, reaming, counter boring, counter shrinking, etc. can be done with the drilling operation, drilling machine. Next one is the grinding. So grinding, all of you know about the grinding operation. What we are doing in the grinder. So it make the smooth surface of the job what we have done with the other machines. Common grinding operation is grinding wheel, internal grinding, external grinding, centralized grinding or the various. Surface grinding is used to make the smooth surface of any operation. Hand grinder. So hand grinder is normally utilized in the welding shop for making the small operations. Bench grinder. So bench grinder are also used to make uh, the thing tools or smoothened with the help of the bench grinder. Surface grinder is used to make the surface smooth. Cylindrical grinder. So it is used to make the cylindrical operations to make centerless grinder. So there is no need to make exact center overlapping. So if you have any doubt in this unit 3 regarding the lathe or shaping building, you can raise your questions.